People are talking about Sunset Ford of Sumner. First up is Crispin. Always have had good experiences here. Enjoy the service guys and have had good conversations with them. Next up is Cecilia. You guys are great. I love my new car. I will be sending friends. Thank you. And here's Lee. I have bought a few vehicles from Tommy at Sunset Ford now, and it's always a great experience. I will definitely be coming back for future purchases. Finally, here's Johnny. Great friendly staff that are honest and very helpful with finding all your options, new or used.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.